Hey, hey, hey. Sweet. One sec. RX8. Sick. Alright guys, Canada Post guys here. Gohan, you stay there. I had to block him off. He's gonna run. Yo, stay.
When I'm cleared up?
Yeah, feel free to just leave the boxes on the floor. You're good to go.
Sounds good, man.
Awesome, appreciate that.
Good one, don't worry.
You as well. Happy holidays.
Yeah, you too.
All right. One big thing off the list. Go on. I'm here. Okay. Fine. I think this kid hey! New package. These boxes are huge. Guaranteed this is the Battle Arrow spoiler we've been waiting for. So let's load these boxes up in the XB and we'll see you guys at the garage. The package. Wanna see what this is? That came so fast. Sanyo X100s. That's cool. Like what else we just got in? Our 2ZZ ECU. Finally. But we'll have to save this for another day. Yes, quick and easy calorie protein shake. Usually I'd add a banana, some blueberries and stuff, but we're out of fruits. We haven't done groceries in a bit, but I know this guarantees me over 1,000 calories before noon. Cheers. If you guys don't want to feel bloated when you're drinking your shakes, just down it as fast as you can. It's like, let your stomach consume faster than your mind can think. Yeah. Let's head to the garage. Great. Yeah, still got the radiator. There's a reason why we bought our ski box. Maybe we'll end up using it today. Beauty. This is actually the same exact width deck lid as the one I'm running on my FRS. Yeah. Same size. Oh man. Enough lollygagging. I think if I were to put Lambo doors on the XB, it would totally look like a Transformer, having all the doors up like this. Oops. That can go up there too. Ace. This thing is awesome. I don't know why I don't use it more often. Perfect. Alright. So you got the chassis mount, which is going to be replacing the rear crash bar on the RX8. All the hardware. And these, I'm assuming, are the brackets. Oh, hell yeah. What? Those look cooler than mine. Well, actually, no. Mine look cooler than these. Mine's actually a one-off, made by Battle Arrow themselves. But I've always kind of wanted this style. Okay, just a small peek. And you got the rods. Just want to make sure I have everything in the boxes before heading to the garage because I don't want to be missing anything and I have to come back. Windshield washer fluid that matches the car. Dude, I got the first iteration of Battle Arrow's spoiler and it didn't come in this finish. This is way more scratch resistant. Make sure this is closed. Oops. I was driving on a flat. Got Eddie working on the headlights, trying to get them super clear again. It already comes with like black housing, so you don't really have to do anything to the headlights, but there's barely any aftermarket headlights available for the RX8. I don't think there's any. Really easy to see how hazy it is. It's like the side was sandblasted. Well, that's pretty much what's happening, especially if you don't have protection film on it. It's pretty good.
When the dog bites, when the bee stings, when I'm peeling.
I didn't even notice there was yellow tape here. That's how close this yellow tape is to the OEM color of the RX8. That's crazy. That's it, man. All Mazdas are happy. You gotta get eyelids for it. Or use yellow tape. Yeah. That just looks like he has one lazy eye. All right, back at the garage. I actually got a little something. These were really cheap too off Amazon. They are carbon overlays for the RX8 eyelid, or the headlights, I mean, but they're eyelids. Check, check. Wait, what? Wait, what? How the fuck? Okay, wrong car. What the fuck? Doesn't even make sense. What the hell did these guys send me? RRX. What the hell is RRX? Probably isn't even for this car. Or actual eyebrows. For what? Oh, no. It's for the Beamer, dude. See? That's... Oh, well, whatever. 17 bucks off Amazon Prime. I may end up using them for something else. Oops. Alright, my homie. One sec. Okay. One sec. Alright. Oh! Sorry, Gohan. Oh my gosh. I just stepped on his foot. I'm so sorry. Gojin, this way. Ding ding! Perfect. Now they can tire themselves out. For those of you wondering when I'm gonna do a full walk around of our new shop, I'm actually still in the process of moving things in. Just been super busy with back end stuff. But my plan is to move all the slats, that glass display case and the counter. All of that's gonna be moved here in the next coming weeks when I have time. Okay, let's bring in the rest of the Battle Arrow stuff. Hey, what's up, Sonny? Good. Alright, so I got the deck lid, cross joints, and then you got your brackets. And you can't forget about the actual GT mount, which I'll grab out of the XB in a bit. But first things first, let's take the bumper off the RX8. Something cool about this super limited edition Eliminate sweater, it was actually one of their first drops ever. Shout outs to my friend Mo, who's actually the same guy who helped us do the floorboards upstairs in the mezzanine. He ended up ordering 2 different sizes and gave me the smaller one. But what's cool about this one is I actually got all of the Eliminate guys to sign it. And hopefully it's not all faded, but yeah, it's on the back there. Kind of hard to see whose is whose. Yeah, I'm trying my best not to dirty this so I don't have to wash it too much. Shout outs Eliminate. Let's get started on this thing. And I'm thinking while we have the rear bumper off, you know what? It wasn't as an immaculate body as I thought it was. Going over it, I actually found a few rust spots, like here on the back. So while the rear bumper's off, maybe we can address these guys. So fresh. Yeah, I opted for steel, whereas you could actually do aluminum, which is a little more pricier, but way lighter. Yeah, these are heavy. It's like 20-pound dumbbells. Like a keyblade. If you can hold that up like that, you can wield a medieval sword. So to take the rear bumper off an RX8, there's about 18 clips. 3 behind each taillight, 4 in the wheel well, and then 4 underneath the diffuser. I drew blood. Oh, and I was wrong. There's actually 3 clips, not 4 on the bottom. But then again, this thing is all about 3s. Triangle, 3 corners, Dorito, 3. So there's 1 here, 1 over here, which we already took out. So once the taillights are out, there is 1 bolt here, which is an 8mm, I think, and this clip. Almost there, guys. That's it.
How's it going?
Pretty good, man?
Yeah, it snowed like crazy outside last half hour.
Really?
Yeah.
Bro, I don't even want to look, man. It said it was gonna snow for the next 2 days, like 10-20 centimeters, but I'm scared. Oh my God, bro. They ain't lying. This is nice drifting weather. So sooner we get our E36 back on the road, the better. Let's take that out. Black plastic thing literally just slides in. It's not screwed in or anything. It just kind of clips into the bumper, but now that's off, we're good. So here is our Battle Arrow GT mount, which is gonna be a direct replacement for the OEM crash bar. It's held on by 4 bolts, and you're just gonna be reusing the stock bolts that are on the RX8 right now. So we'll just quickly clean this up and then throw this on. The bottom 2 are slightly off, like the top are flush, but then these guys are just a little bit too in. So we're gonna save us some work. All right, let's give it a shot now. That's better. Silly me, I forgot all of my cutting tools at the other shop. So this is actually gonna have to wait. All we really gotta do now is fit up the rear bumper to it, figure out where we cut our slots. But unfortunately, I don't have a circular saw or a Dremel here, so this will have to wait. Plus, it's getting pretty gnarly outside. Look at this. This is 2 hours worth. It was completely dry earlier. Man. Oh man. That was what I was trying to prevent. Oh, good old Calgary. So before it gets any worse, snow-wise, I'm just gonna call it an early one, head her home. And I actually have a whole bunch of other stuff I gotta take care of and do at home anyway, so we'll see you guys at the home studio.
Hi, why are you looking like that? Looks like your arm's broken. Is it broken?
Okay, we're back home, and I think I'm gonna work on some art for the rest of the video. I actually have some designs that I've sketched maybe like a month or so ago, and it is of our mascot. When I sketched a drawing and I posted it on my Instagram, someone commented that the name should be KMR, which is basically the first 2 letters of all of the words in Kings Must Rise. So if you translate that into English, it's KIMLEY. So our mascot's name is KIMLEY, and here's the drawing. So come January 2021, we're gonna be having our second KMR drop, and we're gonna be releasing even more women's apparel. I haven't fully come up with the merch grid for next season yet, but it is gonna be a bigger selection of Queens Must Rise stuff. And we're also gonna be coming out with a few new Nobody flags. So right now what I'm gonna do is we're gonna be digitizing the old sketch that I did, and we're gonna be designing a new Nobody flag. So let's just bring you into Photoshop. that's it, guys. So we're probably gonna end up turning this into slap as well as a nobody flag. But it's gonna be included in our upcoming drop, which is gonna be the first drop in 2021, mid-January. So a whole bunch of new KMR merch, including new hoodies, new jackets, shirts, a whole bunch of new KMR accessories, and new QMR stuff as well. So just a whole bunch of new Queens Must Rise apparel. We gotta make more stuff for the women. I'm excited to see how this prints out in large format. I think this process would have went faster if I just traditionally inked it. But the thing about traditional art is there is no Control Z. So thank God for Photoshop. That's it for me for this video, guys. I think I'm just gonna get my rest. This took about 6 hours, not including the sketch itself. So I'm pretty beat. That's how my days go, super quick. Like I can draw for hours. I can be editing for hours. Like the average time it takes me to complete and edit one of my videos is probably around 3.5 to 4 hours. And I brought it down from like 6 instead of having to re-drop all of my intros and outros and music and stuff like that. I have templates and it's set up for me, so but even so, it still kind of takes me a while. It's like filming, doing car stuff for a few hours, drawing for a few hours, and then editing the video that I filmed that day, and then where's the time for sleep, right? So I find myself using up almost like 18 hours throughout the day and trying to get away with 6 hours of actual sleep. I don't know, it's really on how your body reacts to what you put it through. And I guess that's how you learn too. But I'm gonna end this video. Appreciate you guys for watching as always. We'll see you in the next vlog. Bye.
She's got class and style, street knowledge by the pound, yeah. Baby never act wild, very low key on the profile. Catching feelings is